Hello, this video explains the decision for Capsim Capstone round 1 practice. We get the Excel file for free and then we create that by input the round 1 numbers into the Excel file. Then you get the IND for all 8 rounds. For round 1, so we update the product as you see on the screen with 5.7 and 14.3 for traditional. We do not update low end because that is optimal already. We update the high-end performance and size as you see. Try to get that close to the ideal spot, and new product launch during June or July, maybe August and September, as close to the ideal spot as possible. So next round the product will be able to sell well. We also add one more new product. That's your choice. For the first round we can add the new product right from round 1, so they will sell well from the later rounds. Or you can you want to get some net profit for round 1, we cannot you can leave the new product to the second round. That's your choice. And for this sample strategy, you can add the new product in round 1 immediately, and that is better. And now we come to the marketing. For the marketing, we set the price. We check the career report to set the price as high as possible for each segment, but not higher than the strongest competitors. So we set that 29.5, 20.5, 39.5 and 34.5 for two last products, right? We check it's very important that we check the career report from previous round to in this case round 0 to make sure our price most competitive. And also we check career report again for production part to find the number of growth rate for each round. Remember that each game the number may be different, so you can follow the procedures here, the steps here, and then you need to change the number to get the number from your game, and then you change that into the Excel file to get precise calculation. Again, it's not as simple as that you put the numbers here into your game. This is the way we do the game. Follow the steps, but use your number from your game so that you get more precise calculation. And for marketing, it's very important to get precise calculation here, right? So you get the sales focus from the unit we sold from last round in the career report and multiple by the market segment growth. Then we can add about 5 or 10%. We suggest we get 10 or 15 or even 20%, depends on the competitor strategy. If you are doing really well, you can add 15 or 12%. If you get strong competitor, you can add 10 or 15%. And now we come to the production screen. For production screen, it's very important that you put a new capacity for the new product. We add in capacity here. Product number 6, we add about 500. And for the surplus capacity from traditional number 1 and high-end number 3, you can sell the surplus capacity, so we get more investment for the new factory. It's very important to increase automation of the second product, low end in this case. And now we come to the finance. For the finance, we get two sources of investment from issuing the stock: 13 million, 13.7 million, and also 18.99 million in long-term loans. And now we get to screen of estimated result. We get good sale and good net profit in the first round. With this strategy, you can get all round very good sales. Round 1, 2 maybe low net profit a little bit, and on the other round we can lead the game with both highest sales and highest net profit, right? So this is the result of the first round. We get very good sale and very good net profit. Thank you, good luck and success.